Your day fills up with messages, confirmations, and rescheduling just to keep showings organized. In fact, studies have shown that agents spend more than 50% of their time on administrative tasks instead of closing deals. Meet ConfirmView, your smarter way to manage every property viewing. ConfirmView is a powerful web and mobile platform that helps agents organize, confirm, and track all their showings from one place. It's your all-in-one viewing management solution. Plan, schedule, track, and close every showing while keeping clients engaged automatically. It's not another calendar tool, and it's definitely not a CRM. It's your personal assistant for viewings, handling reminders, confirmations, and follow-ups in the background, so you can focus on closing more deals. Let's say you've got a new viewing with your customer. First, create the viewing inside ConfirmView. Then ConfirmView instantly generates all your reminders and follow-ups. First invite 1 week, 24-hour, 2-hour, 15-minute reminders, and even a follow-up message 2 hours after the viewing. Each message pops up right inside the ConfirmView Notify app, ready to send through your favorite channel: SMS, WhatsApp, email, Telegram, Messenger, Instagram, TikTok, and so. And you have full control to send or not to send via your own channel account. ConfirmView remains just your smart assistant preparing and scheduling the message on the back end. Every message includes a unique confirmation link, so clients can confirm, decline, or reschedule with a single tap. The moment your client responds, ConfirmView updates the status and notifies you instantly. And here's the best part: even if your client ignores your reminders and the viewing time is approaching, ConfirmView sends proactive no-show risk alerts so you can act early and prevent a costly no-show. 2 hours after the viewing, ConfirmView lets you send a feedback request message to your prospect. Your prospect can then feedback about the viewing. With ConfirmView, you keep your clients engaged while you stay laser-focused on marketing and selling. As an agent, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. A detailed dashboard with viewing status, weekly performances and KPIs, your scheduled viewings with real-time status, automatic alerts for any viewing at risk of no-show. Plus, every message for the day or week is already drafted for you, ready to send in seconds. As a team manager, ConfirmView brings complete visibility to your agency. Track all viewings across your team. See every agent's performance and success rate. Identify your top-performing properties. And get real-time feedback to help your agents close faster. Replace scattered processes with a centralized, data-driven workflow that boosts your team's productivity. Our customers use ConfirmView to save hours every week and manage all their showings from one simple dashboard. Want to see it in action? Log in now using the instant demo account and experience how ConfirmView makes every showing simple, smart, and stress-free. That's ConfirmView. Smarter viewing management. Less admin.